Algorithms. I don't know exactly what is algorithms, but I studied about it at school, but school and nothing is almost the same thing. Isn't the same thing, but school isn't the better place to have to understand deep the things and have education. Even more in Brazil. Then I have this Rubik's Cube. I think this is an algorithm. I know is an algorithm. Then I tried my entire life to solve this Rubik's Cube and couldn't. I tried, but I couldn't. And now that I'm studying about coding, AI, algorithms, this is an algorithm that use a system, a method that someone created to fix it. Have very methods. I know a little bit about the Rubik's Cube. I know that every time that you fix, that you solve this cube, is a new and a different configuration, is a different way, and every time is different. But you can use the system to solve and understand each time, every time, and fix it, solve it every time you want. Then and we will study about how to solve this cube, this Rubik's cube, and I think it will help me understand about algorithms, logic, and how to create systems and solve algorithms. That is good to me at the field of AI and the coding. Then the algorithms is very important in the field of coding, AI, Bitcoin. Algorithms is the base of software programs. I think everything have the algorithms and the patterns that is algorithms. I need to study about it, but it's like patterns that have and everything repeated, and you need to understand these patterns and solve based on it, and you will do the same thing again and again and again, but it's always different, but have patterns. Like this cube that I know that you need to make a white I don't know how to say it in English, but it's a white crust, a white thing that, but I don't know how to solve it. Okay, what I should do is put this, this white part on this and make it this. And it is the same thing again, and you need to put the parts in the each part, and you only make it again recognizing the patterns and doing it again. The time that you that you solve it, you will always improve, and the first time is the more difficult. It's the same thing, is always the same thing. The first time is the most difficult. When you already solved the cube, the Rubik's cube, will get more easy. You will start to solve faster, solve better, and you will start solving 5 minutes, maybe 10, and they only reduce your time because you already know how to solve, and you will become more good. But to solve and understand the first time is the more difficult time. The first time that you solve. Then understand it, I think it will help me understand the algorithms, logic, and the IA. And it's a good thing to talk with people that are okay, I know how to solve the Rubik's Cube. It's something that people think only smart people do. Then I think it's good to know it. This is a video talking about algorithms, but I don't know about other algorithms I'm learning. Then have a fault of knowledge of wisdom in this video, because I'm learning. Then this video is about that I will learn and understand how to solve it, and this is a compromise video showing my journey that I will learn how to solve it and improve my speaking skills. I hope you liked it, that I will try to solve it and learn about algorithms. I acknowledge you for your attention. Bye.